In the garden, sometimes size does matter. You know, it's supposed to be sunny and 70 degrees today, and I'm glad we're getting a little more rain. It rained all day yesterday, but I did want to show you this. We've got a tomato, and I hate to do this, but with the cool weather that we've had and the leaf damage, we don't want any disease and we want this to grow, so I'm going to just remove that. Now I've got a little green tomato, but we've got quite a few of these smaller tomatoes. With this cool weather, we're going to want to clean up. And I know they say don't grow your tomatoes and your peppers right next to each other, but I don't hold with that. And this one's got a couple little peppers on it. We're going to go ahead and just remove those, give this plant a little chance. But if you see this one, we've got a bunch of suckers coming on. We've got some leaf damage down low because of the rain. So I'm going to remove those. I'm going to take the sucker out. And we're cleaned up. Got another little sucker right here. It's got good growth up here, so we're cleaned up. On this back row back here next to the borage, which has started to flower, we've got some leaves that are touching the ground. With this moisture, you're not hurting anything by removing those. You're actually helping the plant out. And while you're doing it, if you have any little suckers in there, go ahead and get those pruned out. And this Mountain Pride, it's taken off. So I'm going to take some of these lower leaves off, give it a bigger chance. With the cut and drop, I just sew those off into the... But like here, these leaves, as they start to sprawl, those leaves will touch the ground. The deal is, once they touch the ground, you've got a good chance of getting some disease coming up in there. The leaves I took off were below the flowers. It's not going to produce any more tomatoes down below, so we're not worried about that. You can actually go through your tomato line pretty fast. Just anything with discoloration or that's touching the ground, just clip those out. And it may seem dramatic, but if you want your tomatoes to grow, it's a good idea to take care of the leaves. And that's as quick as you can do it. And taking a couple minutes and going through your tomatoes right now is a perfect time to do it. It is going to warm up, and once it does, you want these to be healthy, and they're going to take off. Now I'm looking at anything that has any kind of discoloration on it. The plant doesn't really need to be trying to repair those leaves. And we've got plenty of good growth for photosynthesis. It's amazing how fast they grow. We just put this one in the ground and we cleaned it up. That leaf is touching the ground. The rest of that's doing great. It's a good idea to take a look at your tomatoes every day. If you remember the tomato in the bale, we just pruned it up. I think that's still going to be okay. This time of year, having a pair of clippers in your pocket is a must. You take a look at your plants every day, and it only takes a couple minutes to take off anything that's questionable, and it will help your tomatoes a whole lot. Some of these are getting big enough we're going to start trellising here pretty quick, and I hope you join me for that. But until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.